10 reasons why you should start an online business. Here are 10 reasons why you should start an online business. 1. Low startup costs. Starting an online business often requires less money than starting a traditional brick-and-mortar business, as you don't have to rent or purchase a physical storefront or office space. 2. Flexibility. An online business can be run from anywhere with an internet connection, allowing you to work from home, a co-working space, or while traveling. 3. Global market. An online business can reach customers all around the world, expanding your potential customer base significantly. 4. Time flexibility. You can work on your online business at your own pace, whether that means working full-time or part-time. 5. Diverse income streams. An online business can generate revenue through a variety of means, including selling products or services, advertising, and affiliate marketing. 6. Easy to measure and track progress. Online businesses have access to a range of tools and analytics that allow you to easily track your progress and make data-driven decisions. 7. Increased potential for passive income. By leveraging automation and other techniques, it's possible to build an online business that generates passive income, allowing you to make money even when you're not actively working. 8. Greater control over your work. As the owner of an online business, you have control over every aspect of your work, from the products or services you offer to the way you market and sell them. 9. Ability to scale. An online business can be scaled up or down easily, allowing you to adjust to changes in the market or your personal circumstances. 10. Opportunity to make a positive impact. An online business can be a powerful platform for making a positive impact in the world, whether through your products, services, or philanthropic efforts. To learn how to get started today, click the link in the description below. Thank you for watching and subscribe to the channel for more great content.